Good afternoon from the Chardon Weather Center. This is Sunday afternoon's map. What we have here is a storm system passing along the New England coast, giving those folks up in the eastern parts of New England quite a nice little snowstorm. For us folks down here in coastal New Jersey could see a trace to an inch perhaps along the coast Saturday night. And of course, we have snow showers and snow squalls and general lake effect snow for northern Ohio into western Pennsylvania and parts of northwest New York State. That would be Saturday night into sometime Sunday morning, perhaps Sunday afternoon. Monday will be a rather tranquil day for everybody from the mid-Atlantic to northern Ohio. Right here we have early Tuesday morning and we have a storm system going into the Ohio Valley headed for the mid-Atlantic with warm air flowing ahead of it, just enough to give precipitation mixture issues from the mid-Atlantic into the northern Ohio Valley. This storm system should begin as rain for many folks, but change over to snow, especially from parts of Pennsylvania into northern Ohio. And I'll just show you briefly as we go along here the progression of the storm situation. Right here, later in the day, Tuesday, we see where the rain has changed over to snow from much of western PA into northern Ohio and even southern Ohio. And it would still be primarily rain, and it could end as a brief flurry or snow shower for my good friends along the New Jersey and Delaware beaches. Wednesday will be a rather quiet day. There could be some lingering snow showers and snow flurries on the lee side of the lakes. Nothing spectacular, an inch or two in spots, perhaps a little bit more downwind from Lake Ontario. And that's about it for Wednesday. Late on Thursday, we have tranquil weather. It's a bright day. It's a few degrees perhaps above normal in many spots from the mid-Atlantic over towards the northern Ohio Valley. And we have a storm system gaining steam over in the panhandle of Oklahoma, which promises to be quite a storm perhaps for some. Friday morning, we have this little storm system heading into the Ohio Valley and into the Mid-Atlantic. This particular model of GFS is perhaps a bit off on where the low is going to be and where the cold air is going to be. But from many of the reports and some of the other models, they indicate that there's going to be snow in the northern parts of Illinois, northern parts of Indiana, and for parts of northern Ohio. And this storm's going to probably proceed in such a way such as like this and then redevelop along the mid-Atlantic coast. Where it develops and how much cold air is locked in will determine the precipitation types for my good friends in the Delaware Valley. So hang on there, folks. This could be quite a doozy, and it could produce quite a nice amount of snow for my friends in the Delaware Valley sometime later Friday into perhaps Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. So that's something to look out for next week. Thank you so much for joining me from the Chardon Weather Center.